Hi, I had another point of view when I was asked something this time in the workshop. Well, I was asked that if with meditation our aura becomes big, then won't it attract more and more dark energies to us? Now, in normal scenario, anybody who's thinking along the lines that aura is big will attract dark energies may be right. However, I have another view. The point is, when we do meditation and when we do healings on ourselves and others, our aura is definitely becoming bigger. However, what is happening is our aura is cleaner and bigger. In normal scenario, it might be that the aura is not necessarily clean. So law of attraction says what you have, you'll attract that. So if you have dark energies making your aura big, that is something we call as congestion in our energy system. There is congestion in your body, energy body, that might attract dark forces, dark energies, what we call entity elementals and other such beings to us. However, when we do regular meditation, these energies are channeled out of our system. Why? Because we are blessing the earth with peace, love, and harmony. So our system gets cleansed. When the system is getting cleansed, whatever is left inside is peace, love, and harmony. So law of attraction says you will attract more of that into your system. Okay. Second thing is, when this makes your aura bigger and brighter, whatever is not good, whatever is not good for you will be pushed away from you. If it is inside, it will be thrown away. And if it is being directed towards you by others, it will be pushed out of your system. It will not penetrate in. And that's the beauty. So that is why regular meditation and everyday healings are required, so that our aura is bigger, brighter, denser, stronger, to be able to handle our everyday life and to stay away from such dark energies. I hope you agree with me.